Today's guide is on Copilot tutorial. Okay, so I will walk you through on how to use Microsoft Copilot. In case you don't know, Microsoft Copilot is an AI tool developed by Microsoft, which you can use to generate answers, detailed answers to your questions, and also generate image. It can do other things like analyzing the emails that are in your inbox. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. First, let's talk about how you can get this AI tool. If you use Windows PC, this application is pinned here at the taskbar area. If you can't find it here, go ahead and update your Windows. All right. Once you update it, it will appear here or it will appear at this end. All right. Another way you can access it is through the web. All right. So it's either you click on it for it to open here at the taskbar from the taskbar, or you access the application, the AI tool through the web. All right. For you to access it through the web, you need to open your web browser, and I recommend you use Microsoft Edge browser, which is here. Once the browser opens, visit copilot.microsoft.com. All right. You can see the link here. I will still have it in the description. A new page opens, and here I'm logged in automatically. So if you are not logged in automatically, you need to log in with your Microsoft account details. Okay, so this is the first interface you will see, and here it says ask me anything. So you need to type in your prompts here. In a layman language, prompts are like questions you ask. All right, so you ask the questions to some computer programs. All right, so here let's start with the first question. And the question I want to ask this AI is to tell me what Godwin Tech is all about. Here my question reads, what is Godwin Tech YouTube channel all about? So let's know if this AI knows anything about my YouTube channel. So after typing your prompts, click on submit. Okay, here it reads, Godwin Tech YouTube channel focuses on tech and software tutorials, which he got it correct. Are you getting it? And it picks some videos that are available on the channel at this point in time. Okay, so this is an intelligent tool, and it reads more. It said it covers a wide range of topics, including how to use both mobile and desktop applications, iPhone tips, writing and publishing, and artificial intelligence, which is AI tutorials. Okay, so now that we have asked this AI a question and has given us a correct answer, let's go ahead and ask him another question. So the next question we want to ask this tool is on who is the biggest YouTuber. All right, so you can ask him any question and this will give you the answer to that. All right. And the second question we ask this AI tool is who is the biggest YouTuber in the world right now? All right. So we want to know who is the biggest YouTuber. That's the biggest YouTube content creator. So after you type your question, which you can call prompts, click on submit. And here it has the answer. It says the biggest YouTuber in the world right now is Mr. Beast, Jamie Donaldson, with over 312 million subscribers as of August 2024, which is a correct answer. So you can continue the conversation when it gives you answers to some questions you ask. All right. So here I want to ask him, is he married? Okay. Let's know the response. Then enter. And here we have the answer. It says, yes, Mr. Beast is married. He got married to his longtime girlfriend, Tia Busin, in July 2023. They often share glimpses of their lifestyle together on social media. All right. So when you ask this AI question, you can continue the conversation. If you want to ask me another question based on the feedback he gave to you or something relating to the topic you're talking about, ask him and he will give you feedback and you guys continue. All right. So let's get into another way you can use this AI. By that, let me just refresh the page. You can use this AI tool to generate image as well. All right, so it does not just generate text, it can generate images, designs for you. All right, so let me ask him to generate an image for me here, and then we'll see what we have in return. Okay, this is the question we have for this AI. We say generate image of a young girl learning computer code. All right, so after that, click on submit. Let's see what it has. And here we go. The AI tool has generated images of a young girl learning code. With the help of designer, it works hand in hand with designer. Designer is also a graphic design tool by Microsoft. So I have a video about it. I will link it in the description. You can go and learn more about it. Okay, so from this preview, we can click on each of the images for it to open fully. And here we have this. So if you click on this arrow, you see the next one, click here, you see the next one, click here, you see the next one. So if you want to use any of them, once the image opens, click on download and the image gets downloaded into your PC. Okay, so you can use it for anything you want to use it for. All right, so let's get back to the program and see other things we can do. Another thing you can do with Copilot is using it to analyze the information that is contained in an image. All right. Maybe you have an image in your PC and you want this Copilot to analyze it for you. It can do that. So click on this image icon. Then select the source of the image. Here, the image is saved in my PC. So I will select the option upload from this device. This opens a folder in your computer. So I want to go with this image. So I'll click on it and click on open. Within a short time, this image is placed in the Copilot editor. So I'm going to ask a question based on this image. And what I will ask is, how is this made? All right. What is in this picture? Okay. So here I've typed the question and the question reads, what are the recipes for this? This is an ice cream, okay? Coastal ice cream. So I want this AI to tell me the recipes that are used in producing it because maybe I want to make something like this. Then after that, click on submit. Then hold on for it to generate answer for you based on the image. It has generated a lot for me. And it says the image shows a delicious cup of ice cream from Coastal Creamy topped with colorful sprinkles, chunks of chocolate candy bars, and whipped cream. So a lot are here. So it's giving me now the details on how to make this and some additional information. Another additional thing you can do with this AI is generating of songs. All right, you can ask this AI to generate song for you, and it does that perfectly. All right. So here you can see anytime we open this program, we are placed on the chat tab. This displays all the history of the things you have searched using this program. Then we have plugin. All right. So for you to create song, there's something you need to turn on the software, a piece of software in this plugin category that you need to turn on. So I'll click on it and it opens this. For example, search, which we are using here, is already toggled on. All right. So our interest here is to create songs. So scroll down and get to this sooner. All right. So toggle on this button by clicking on it. And as this button is toggled on, then come here and click and then ask this AI question based on the song you want to create. Okay, so I will ask him to create a song for me on a clever bed or a smart bed. Okay, anyone, and we see how it will work. Here, my prompt reads, it states, generate a song on a smart little bed. All right, so after typing, just submit. So let's wait for this program to generate the song for us. Okay. Okay, here the program has returned some text in the song. Okay, so you can read through and it can still sing it for you. So when you scroll down, you can see the option here which says listen. So click on listen for you to play it. Smart little bird fly high, counting clouds in the sky. It's cool. So let's stop it there. So this is how you can use this AI to generate song for yourself. All right. So you can go ahead and download the song into your PC and use it for what you want to use it for. All right. The next is to talk about some of the features in this program. If you want to access the menu, click on this. Okay. And when you click on that, you can see the settings option. You can see appearance. If you want dark mode, select dark mode. Light mode is selected by default. And if you want to return back to the default mode, click on the menu item again and select light or system. All right, system default. so anyone can help you to have a good experience. Okay, then you have privacy, have feedback, and you have settings. Maybe you want to access the settings of this AI tool. Click on settings. Okay, you can see language. English is selected, you can change it. If you want to change the region, you can change it. Location, you can change it, and so many other options. Chat, you can change some things about the chat settings and more. When you click on more, you see some more things about the settings. Okay, you have location here. Maybe you want to add a city, an address, or postal code to have a better experience when you are using the program. Okay, so you have a lot you can choose through the settings of this program. Okay, let's move straight to how to use this program in email. Using Copilot in email works very fine in Outlook email. All right, Outlook is a product of Microsoft, so any of their products work fine with this Copilot tool. So I'll open a new tab and log into my Outlook account. In this my inbox, you can see a lot of emails that I have not read. So I can click on one. I don't know. Let me click on this, the one sent to me by Microsoft. The email can be sent to you by any person. It mustn't be Microsoft, maybe a friend or a co-worker in the office. All right. So I don't have the strength to read through all these things here. So I can ask Copilot to help me summarize what is in this. So after I have opened the email in the inbox, then click on this Copilot tool, which is at the top right. Okay. Then this returns this space for you to ask anything you want to ask. And I can click here and then ask it to summarize this in one sentence. Okay, so I have given it a prompt. I say summarize this email in one sentence. So I'll click on submit. Okay, it has returned the summary. It says Microsoft is updating its service agreement to clarify terms and cover new products effective September 30, 2024, and continued use of services implies acceptance of these updates. Simple and short. So you don't need to keep on stressing your eyes. It has given me overview of what this email is all about. And I don't need to do something more. So it's cool. All right. So these are just what you can do with this program and more. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss technology, which cuts across so many areas, including how to use iPhone, Android, software, YouTube education, and how to use different computers. We also cover self-publishing. So if you're interested in any of these contents, consider subscribing. Okay, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it really helpful or you need something extra? Hit the like button so that YouTube will know that this content is helpful and recommend it to more people. If we don't do that, there's no how the system will know that this is a helpful content. So please do hit the like button. Okay, watch this video to learn how to use Copilot in Microsoft Word. Thank you and see you some other time.